What if a $10 app could do more for your retirement than a $10,000 investment? Sounds like one of those internet miracles, right? But this little app called Let's Goal is helping folks in their 60s, 70s, even in their 80s get organized and find their rhythm and, yes, start earning from home. And the best part, it's simple enough to use before your first cup of coffee. I remember when retirement was supposed to mean rest, not stress. But if you're anything like me, you've still got dreams, maybe travel, helping the grandkids, or finally fixing that leaky deck. The only problem, time and money, don't always cooperate. You've got decades of wisdom, but not the modern tools that make online income simple. That's why today I'm showing you the $10 app that's quietly changing how retirees build structure, confidence, and income, one goal at a time. Let's Goal isn't another social media toy. It's a daily rhythm system, a personal coach that fits in your pocket and helps you organize your day, track progress, and focus on what really matters. Retirement gives you time, but Let's Goal gives you time direction. Inside the app, you get 3 simple daily goals. One for business, one for personal growth, and one just for joy. And sometimes powerful happens when you start small. You stop drifting and you start deciding again. You get clarity, and clarity creates calm. When I started using it, I noticed my days stopped feeling random. I wasn't busier, I was more intentional. Freedom doesn't come from doing everything, it comes from doing the right things on purpose. Most retirees don't need another list. They need a rhythm that turns effort into results. Let's Goal helps you track habits that actually move the needle. Every day I focus on 3 income-building actions. Post something of value online, connect with one person, learn one new skill. You do that for a week and suddenly the fog lifts. A tracked habit becomes a strengthened habit. And 1 week of consistency turns into a business rhythm. This isn't about getting rich, it's about feeling alive again, building a purpose through progress. Now here's the mindset shift. Let's Goal isn't another chore, it's your gentle nudge to stay on mission. You can track faith goals, gratitude, exercise, business tasks, whatever matters to you. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every check mark is a small victory that whispers, you've got more in you. Motivation fades, systems stick, and this one keeps you consistent even when you don't feel like it. That's why I call my quiet coach. It's not loud, not flashy, but it's steady. And that's what most of us really need right now, steady. So if you've been feeling like life's gotten too complicated or you just don't know where to start, this might be your turning point. You don't need a perfect plan, you just need the right rhythm. I put together a link to connect with the Let's Goal information page and a testimonial video. Learn how others are using this little app every day in their lives. Grab it at williamfeaver.com/letsgoal3. Download it, try it, and see what happens when clarity meets consistency. Here's the truth. The $10 app doesn't change your life. You do. But it gives you structure, the focus, and the peace of mind to finally build what's next. You still got purpose, you still got time, and maybe this is the moment you start believing that again. One more thing. This little app gives you $8 in residual income by sharing it with others. Have a good day and enjoy what I've just shared with you. Thank you.